Hi guys, welcome to the vlog. I feel like the past week I haven't been vlogging, or I start a vlog and I don't ever finish vlogging. So I'm just gonna try to combine as many days into one vlog. That way, you still have a vlog, but today is Saturday. So first of all, if you're new to my channel, welcome. I do daily vlogs, or I try to do daily vlogs. Sometimes, I don't end up vlogging the rest of the day, like I start vlogging or whatever. But I'm gonna try to do better. I think, I don't know. I was in a weird headspace. Like, I had a lot of things going on, and in order for me to process everything, I just kind of had to, process it. So now it is processed, and it's something really exciting too, and y'all are going to be so excited. I'm so excited. I'm not going to share what it is just yet, just because I want to finalize everything, if that makes sense. So yeah. So today I am just going to do I'm going to try to do a work with me. So Sterling has her friend Marley over. She spent the night last night, and then Journey went to a Valentine's party at our church with all the kids, and so that was something. I don't think Julie was I don't know. I know Liz was there, and one of the ladies from church, she put it on. So all the kids had fun, Journey had fun, and after that we went out and ate House of Pizza for / lunch. I won't call it dinner, basically lunch. It's because it's 3 o'clock, so it'll probably be one of those feed yourself kind of nights, because I don't have anything planned, although I do have stuff for chicken and dumplings if I wanted to, if I felt adventurous. But I have a ton of ribbon trim to-dos I want to get through. I think there is 5 that I want to try to get done, and then 2 more. There will be 7 total. There's 2 more that are up there that already have the ribbon sewn on them. I just have to string them up. So yeah, I'll see how many I can get through. I also want to embroider a couple out. I mean, technically I don't have to, but so I'm gonna just kind of, yeah, I think I'll do ribbon trims and then just try to get through these, and then go from there. Today is actually Papa's 87th birthday. Anyway, today is Papa's actual 87th birthday. So tomorrow we got cupcakes, and I will be making, because it's Sunday, I'll be doing Sunday dinner. I'm going to do a Mississippi pot roast, and we're going to do sweet potatoes and baked potatoes, and then I'm going to come up with another something. I don't know what. Maybe I don't know. I'll figure a vegetable aside on another side. So anyway, so that's what's going on today. Just working. My husband's upstairs. He is into making music. I don't know how many people know that, but he's into making music, and so he's up there, and that's what he's been working on. And his cousin, who also does the same thing, is supposed to come over. They call it their band practice. So yeah, and girls are upstairs playing, so let's get some work done.
Long time gone, turning heads left
Okay guys, so it is 10 o'clock at night. I finished 7 tutus, so I'm not going to embroider anything out. I'm just going to call it a day. So I'll probably continue this, or I think I am. And I'll show you what I make tomorrow. So happy Sunday! Welcome to the vlog. Probably just, I don't know if I'm going to include this in my footage from yesterday or what I'm going to do, but we're going to celebrate Papa's 87th birthday.
Hey there!
Today.
Hello, boys and
So
girls.
we're going out to eat.
Your socks go all the way up, don't they? You got long
Tell
socks.
Papa, say happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday yesterday.
Hi there! What you mad?
You want my hand?
Are you mad? That's your rainbow ring.
I was smiling at the camera.
And one of them.
I let you get buckled up. Let me get buckled up. I didn't want to get buckled
Are
up.
you happy?
I'm hungry.
You happy to go
Then
eat
I'm
chicken? Got a
happy.
pretty ring. Oh! Did they have ham over there, Sterling? From Papa? Who's it from? From you? You got Papa card. That's nice. Well, it's a pretty color. All right. Your sister like that used to be her favorite color. Without let's see if I can get my glasses on and read this. Without feathers.
Without feathers. What kind of card I put in there?
Without
fathers.
Without feathers and Papa's, the world would be a loser. A leaker. Rustier. Creakier. Weedier place.
Without feathers.
Mercy. That takes care of the weeds. So thanks for all you do and have a happy birthday. We love you.
That
Pam Sterling and you draw that. You draw that you did it.
It looks like it's
you,
a
Papa.
beat
That me.
Last time we were here was with Aunt Danny. You gotta share, sister. Hand it to him, Sterling. Reach out slowly. Go down a little bit. What the heck? Here, give me a piece. No, I need a bigger piece. I'm gonna feed him with my hand. I want to feed him with my hand.
No, the cat probably needs it more than them. The goose can eat fish.
Oh, there's two of them. Throw it down there, Jern. You gotta give it to him.
Oh, they're so cute. Have we seen these?
Well, he needs to see how old he was.
There you go. Take some. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Papa. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
He did
Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye, guys.